Guys, I want to talk to you really quick about these curtain rods. And we're going to go ahead and compare the tension rod that is right here versus this cafe rod that's on the top and what the difference is between the two. So this tension rod right here is actually held by tension. You will unscrew it, you will go ahead and extend it to where you want it to be, and then when you tighten it, there's going to be kind of like a spring on the inside that will go ahead and hold it on the inside of your frame, of whatever frame it is that you're needing to put it on, as compared to the cafe rod, which will screw into your wall, and then your rod will go ahead and just kind of hang on the top. So we're using both, as you can see here, and for good reason. First, we actually have these extremely darkening curtains that are held all the way, go all the way up to the edge of our window, because we don't like light coming into our room first thing in the morning, because the sun actually will hit this window or a few of our windows, and so we don't want that light coming in. We like to be able to sleep late, or perhaps my husband's been working all night long and he wants to go ahead and sleep late in the morning. So this will go ahead and block out the light, but then on top of that, we're able to go ahead and put this decorative curtain over the front, so that you're not just seeing this plain Jane with this little wooden edging from the window blind. So that's the difference between the two. One of them, you don't have to make any holes whatsoever, which is the tension rod, for it to be held. However, you have to make sure it's tight enough so that it doesn't get yanked down. As compared to the tension rod, you do have to put holes into your sheetrock. And then if it's not tightened enough properly, then when you go ahead and actually move your curtain, your cafe rod will go ahead and move back and forth. So that's the difference between the two. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all have a great day.